Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm JaMya, and in today's video we are going to be doing this cute summer hairstyle that I've seen on Instagram plenty of times, but I just wanted to kind of make it a little bit different, and I just wanted to recreate it. So yeah, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you'll be notified when I post more videos. And yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video.
Okay guys, so if you know me and you see me on Instagram a lot, you know I always wear my pineapple. So I decided to do something different. So I'm going to start off by parting my hair down the middle. And it took me forever because my hair been in a pineapple for days on top of days, and it's just dry and crusty. And yeah, so I'm just putting up my hair, well, half of my section up. And now I'm just going to kind of part my hair diagonally to make my front section. And now I'm just going to pin up the back with a scrunchie so that doesn't get in the way. So now I'm just spritzing it with some water, and I'm going to detangle that section. And now I'm just going to use the Cantu leave-in, and I'm just going to distribute that all over this section. And now I'm just going to use the coconut spray, and I'm just going to spritz that all over that section. And now I'm just going to part a small section diagonally, and I'm just going to pin the rest of it back with my big comb. And I'm just going to use that Softee edge control just to have it sleek and just to hold it. And now I'm just going to brush it up, and I'm going to add a rubber band to seal it in place. So now I'm just going to take this next smaller section, and I'm going to split it diagonally like before, and I'm just going to pin this third section back. And now I'm just going to split this part in half. So now, as you can see, I'm taking the opposite section, and I'm just going to bring them together, and I'm just going to add some edge control, and I'm going to pin that part back because it kept on getting in the way. But I'm just going to take my rubber band and tie that up together. So now I'm going to connect the other opposite parts together. So now onto the last part. I'm just going to split it in half like I did with the second part. And like I did with the second part, I'm just going to take the front section with the back section of the third part, and I'm going to tie it up together with the rubber band. And I'm just going to connect the other two parts that are not connected, and I'm going to put them together. Now that I'm finished with the top part, I'm just going to take out the back, and I'm just going to twist up this top section so it won't get in the way when I start on the back. To start off this section, I'm just spritzing my hair with some water just to add some moisture back into my hair. Now I'm using the Creme Curl Activator, and this is really thick, so I'm just distributing this evenly throughout the section, trying to make sure the white stuff is gone. Now I'm going to take and loose the twist in the front and bring that together into the ponytail. Now I'm going to quickly detangle the ponytail with my big tooth comb. Now I'm just going to put my ponytail in place just so I can put my edge control and my gel all around this section. Now I'm just going to brush it up with my hard bristle brush just to smoothen it out, and I'm going to take it unloose and brush it with my soft brush just to have it smooth back there. And I'm just going to brush it up in the front And now I'm just going to brush it in the back again. Okay. So I'm finally putting it in a bun, and I'm just going to put it in a messy bun just because this is the look that I'm going for. I'm basically going to just play with it until I actually like this bun. So this is what half of my hair looks like. So now I'm just going to go ahead and finish off my other section. So in the middle of me doing my other section, I was like, why not make it look a little bit messier and let my hair hang in the front? I really don't know what these are called, so can you guys tell me in the comments below? But yeah, I'm just letting them hang, and I'm just going to add some gel just to have a little bit of definition to the little hangies in the front. But clearly I'm not going to let my bun look like that, so I'm just going to redo that bun and go ahead and finish off that other section. So back to the hairs in the front, I'm just going to add some gel and finger coil it all the way down. And I'm just adding some water because the gel was a little bit thick on my hair. So yeah, and I just crunched it up trying to get my hair to curl up, and that didn't really help. So I added some of that curl activator. And I think that's what made it curl a little bit better. But yeah, so onto my edges, I'm just going to do them really quickly. And this is how this hairstyle looks. I really thought this was really cute on me, guys.
Okay guys, so this concludes this look on this hairstyle. If you guys liked it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if you want to see more hairstyles like this from me. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.